Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today we are going to take a look at Earn BitMoon. Get started by logging in with your Faucet Pay email. You have your account balance on the left, and your dashboard at the top of the screen. On your dashboard, you have earned coins, offer wall, games, and lottery. First, let's claim from the faucet on the home page. Select Roll Now and solve the CAPTCHA. Next, let's go back to your dashboard and select Daily Bonus under Earned Coins. Claim your daily bonus. Now go back and select View Ads. Choose one of the websites to view and stay on the web page until the timer is done. Great! Watch all the ads to earn the most coins. When you are done, go back to Watch Videos under the Earn section on your dashboard and select Cheddar TV. This is where you can watch videos to earn unlimited coins. Choose one of the trending videos you would like to watch and view it until the ad ends. You can withdraw from Cheddar.tv by clicking the avatar on the top right-hand side of your screen and selecting Redeem. Choose Earn BitMoon and withdraw your coins. Now go back to Earn BitMoon and withdraw your coins to Faucet Pay. As you can see, my coins have instantly been paid to my account. In Faucet Pay, you can swap your coins from Bitcoin to Solana or Ton. You can use the Ton to buy Telegram tokens. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.